What is going on, traders? We guys all had a great weekend. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the trades we took on Friday, as well as preparing you guys for the best setups at the best prices. Before we get into today's video, I would just like to take this time to speak with you guys. When you talk about being a successful investor, a successful day trader, whether it's short-term, long-term, the number one thing you need to be doing at all times is always adapting to the market. The market has been playing a lot of games lately, and it's even for myself, I have found it very difficult to be trading. And then I got to go back to the roots of my trading, of my foundations of a trader, and sit back, analyze what I am doing wrong, and then tweak, right? I'm tweaking my game to go along with the market. What I've realized in the last couple weeks is I'm getting faked out immensely. Right? I'm getting faked out a lot. Whether it's ripping through multiple key levels towards lunchtime, it ends up selling back off or ripping back up. We're changing trend regardless of the moves that are happening. So if we start off the morning very bearish, towards the end of the day, it's been going extremely bullish. And if we start off extremely bullish, it's been flipping extremely bearish. So what have I learned? What have I been tweaking and adapting to for my trading plan for this week? It's simple. I have my key levels, the same strategy I've been trading for multiple years, right? I decided to not trade within the first 15 minutes of market open. That's just me, right? Because the biggest mistakes I am making is within the first 15 minutes of market open. So I am not taking a trade within the first 15 minutes, right? I'm having my key levels there, but I'm not buying at them because the market's been faking out a lot. We have elections this week. We're going to have a new president this week. It's going to be extremely volatile. What am I waiting for? This week into trading, I'm going to be waiting for big overreactions. I'm not like, if we hit my key level, I'm not buying. We go a little bit above my key level, I'm not buying. The next move up or to the downside of my key level, the overextension, that's when I am going to be taking my risk reward. As a day trader, you need to be adapting to the market. There is not one strategy that is going to work every single day for the rest of your life. You always got to tweak, right? At all times, you got to tweak your strategy. You have to, and sometimes you got to just stop what you're doing, journal your trades, and it will tell you, you will tell yourself what you are doing wrong. Even though a strategy that works 9 out of 10 times, 8 out of 10 times, we are coming into a market where it's not working, okay? There's a lot of fake outs to the up or the downside. So instead of having micro levels, you need to be having macro levels, even on the 30-minute, 4-hour time frame. Some trades of my strategy are not working out, and that's okay. So what are we going to do? I'm going to take my time. Give myself 15 minutes into market open. I do trade the best in the mornings. I'm just saying the first 15 minutes, I'm going to start taking it light. And I'm going to be trading an overreaction. Okay? The last year and a half, if you just bought calls on every red day, you made money. Like literally every red day, if you bought a month out calls at that strike, you made money for a year and a half straight. And that's what I realized. So now a lot of people are thinking the market's going to keep going up, keep going up, keep going up. This is the time where retail switches from bearish to bullish. Now they're going to start being a lot of drops. Retail are going to keep buying calls, and I'm telling you, it's going to happen soon where the market is not going to get bought up, and we are going to continue selling off. Obviously, in looking into the future, the market's going to keep going up. I'm talking about the macro, right? The next 6 months to a year. I see a lot of potential downside, right? Just from the way we're trading right now. We're trading at all-time highs. We're trading in big ranges. There's a lot of news. There's wars happening, new elections happening. So the dip keeps getting bought up. I'm telling you right now, to save yourself money, wherever you have a key level, go in with like a 25 to 30% position of your full position. Right? Whether you're buying shares, whether you're buying options contracts, this is a type of age that we're in, day and age that we're in right now in the market history, where if you got a good entry, you need to be selling the move. Because if you're not selling the move, you're going to get stopped out for a loss. That's how we've been trading for the last little bit. So I just wanted to let you guys know and explain to you guys that even myself as a professional day trader, like mentally, it's been screwing with my head because things that used to work all the time for me, that's the strategy that made me who I am today, made me have thousands of people following me, is not working. And I was trying to fight it like, I'm right. I don't care. I'm not selling. I'm right. And then end up reversing and making money. It's still a bad way to make money, but that's why I had to stop, right? I had to regroup, analyze the trades I've been taking, what trades went wrong, what trades went right, look at the market structure, and I'm just tweaking my game from here. And anyone watching this video, whether you're a short-term, long-term investor, you're going to be dealing with this issue. I'm dealing with it right now. There's some people out there, YouTubers, that may act like they never lose, guys. And that's not me, right? Friday was rough for me because I believed in my heart. I'm like, I'm right. And I was wrong because I got squeezed, but it ended up being immensely right. Okay? So remember, you just need to have stop losses. You need to have a stop loss on. I don't care if you're trading a head and shoulders pattern, a friggin' gravestone doji, a break of an uptrend or downtrend. I don't care what you're trading. The macro key level, macro lower key level, it doesn't matter. You need a stop loss at all times. I saw some people in Discord going from down $8,000 to make 30 or 50 bucks. Like, guys, you cannot be doing this. I don't care how experienced you are. Even myself, I have stop losses. You need a stop loss, whether it's a percentage amount or a dollar amount, or it's a key level break or whatever it is. So many people, they enter trades, but they don't know where they're taking profits at, and they don't know where they're cutting their loss at. And it's very easy to be in that position, especially when your favorite setup is happening. You're like, oh, this is my trade. This is my trade. I'm adding. I'm good. Until what? Until you get squeezed and go broke? If you are listening to me right now, I promise you need to have a stop loss. You need a stop loss in general. There's way too many traders that are not using them. Even though they size and light, they keep adding. And before you know it, you lost a crap ton of money when you should have just stopped out at the beginning. Just please, if you're listening to me, I don't care if you're a subscriber. I don't care if you're part of my Discord or you're not part of my Discord. I just want you to know, as a trader, you need to have a stop loss, a firm stop loss. Like, in your head, like, you need to own it. You need to own your stop loss, and you need to hold yourself accountable for taking that stop loss. So a dollar amount, percentage amount, I don't care what it is, or a fundamental stop loss. You need to have one. You need an entry, you need an exit, you need a profit taker, and you need a stop loss to protect your capital. Please. That's all I'm asking for, guys. The only reason why I'm speaking about this further is because myself, I've been having a difficult time trading, right? I'm winning in the macro throughout the day, but I'm a day trader, a sniper, so I'm not doing well in the first mornings, like the first couple plays in the morning. So I'm taking it easy. I know what I'm doing wrong, but my trades end up working. So my strategy that I'm using is working. It just takes a couple hours to work out, but I don't like buying in on a contract and walking away from my computer. That is bad risk management. So when I'm entering a trade, I'm right or I'm wrong within 10 to 15 minutes. That's how I trade. I'm not waiting for 2 hours unless I'm in like 2 months out, 3 months out contracts. I don't care too much. But as a day trader, you guys all need to have risk management in check at all times. Please, let's get into today's video. So, as I said, I ended up getting clapped in the morning, guys. I ended up buying 572 puts. I was holding up here, adding up here. I'm like, this is going to collapse, guys. Trust me. This is going to collapse. Like, this was my trade. I wasn't telling anyone to buy this. I told everyone, this is looking extremely bullish. I'm holding for a specific reason. I've seen a pattern like this before. Blah, 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 blah. Ended up getting stopped out. Absolutely horrible. I ended up getting green on the day from hitting puts at the second retest of 575. We came back down. We dropped, came back up. This is where I ended up personally hitting puts. And then I caught like a snipe call play here. It was nothing too major. again, my trading has been sloppy the last 2 weeks. I end up being green, but I don't like the way I'm trading. And you'll understand that, guys. That gut feeling, even when you're green on the day, you don't like, it's not a good feeling because you're like, I could have lost a lot of money. That's pretty much what's been happening to me. So moving forward in tomorrow, what are we looking at? We're looking at Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin's sitting around all-time highs. It can't break out. Liquidity's holding in Bitcoin, slowly dropping. It's something to keep an eye on at for sure. We have elections on Thursday. Be very, very careful swing trading anything. We have Tesla. I don't really like Tesla, to be honest. I like it better at 260 so I can short the hell out of it, like Dimitri did. What other stocks are we looking at? I don't know. Everything's noise, guys. I like SPY and the Qs. That's it. That's all I pay attention to. So moving forward into tomorrow, what are the big levels? I'm zooming out right now, and I want you guys to just look at my chart. Sometimes that's all you need, right? Is to look at someone else's chart. So let's look at the 30-minute time frame right now, right? I'm zooming out. We have a previous floor, 574, 575, right? Previous floor, previous resistance, previous floor, previous floor. We just ended up breaking above it on Friday. We couldn't hold it. We sold off. So the biggest level that we have is 575. If we hold 575, I'm going long as a mofo to 580s, to possibly 10 points up to 584, 585 level. If we hold 575, it's going to be bullish. Downside, we reject 575. We're going to be testing the lows of Friday and the lows of Thursday. If we break the lows of Thursday, we're going to 566, 50, and then 563, right? That's the channel we're in right now. We're not overly bullish. We're not overly bearish. We have a nice little drop, a big size drop, and we have a big upside potential. So we're in the middle of the zone right now. Just understand that. 575 support, boom, 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 all-time highs most likely. I'm not a financial advisor. That's just what I see. If we reject 570, night, it's done. We are dropping 3 to 4 to 7 points. Okay? So use those key levels. I don't know where the market's going to open right now. I'm not going to give you guys a game plan, but we will touch 4. Just know 575 support, boom, boom, boom. 570 resistance, or dropping 3 to 7 points. Okay? That's it, guys. Just remember, I don't come in here to act like egotistical and act like I'm the best trader ever. I do believe in my skill as a trader. I've been doing this for over a decade. But even I get faked out, okay? And even I have rough weeks and rough days. It's a part of it. You need to learn to adapt to the market at all times. Remember that. Adapting to the market. If something's working for you for so long and then it stops working, you got to stop, hold off, and analyze, right? Relook at your entire trading strategy. Look what's going right. Look what's going wrong in these market conditions. But anyways, guys, if you stuck around this long, the Daily Sniper, we have just launched Sniper University monthly, guys. The link is in the bio. There's no more Daily Sniper. If you are a Daily Sniper lifetime member, you guys still get the chat. You guys still get the live streams. If you are a Sniper University, guys, we are live streaming every single day. We have multiple videos to give you guys. We're doing weekly and bi-weekly seminars and masterminds every single week with the Daily Sniper, guys. It's Sniper University. First link in the bio. Thank you guys for watching this. I know I rambled a lot, so hopefully you guys learned something from this, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care, everyone.